If a registered nurse practitioner draws blood, are they illegally practicing as a doctor? Or is a certified EMT illegally practicing as a licensed paramedic if they give a patient CPR? Of course not, because that is a service they are educated, trained, and tested to provide. So why are NCIDQ certified interior designers accused of illegally practicing architecture when they draft construction documents addressing anything more than just decor? Why oppose an interior designer's ability to practice to the full extent of their competencies? The answer is simple. Many opponents are protecting turf and a source of income. The law should not protect one profession to the exclusion of another, picking winners and losers. That's for the marketplace to decide. Unfortunately, in many states, the law affords practice rights to only a select few design professions. This kind of economic protectionism limits consumer choice. Denying interior designers the right to work independently in spaces occupied by the public, obtain their own building permits for their clients and projects, bid on government design projects, collect on unpaid debts, or even own a firm prevents interior designers from fairly competing in the design marketplace. Allowing interior designers to stamp and submit their own construction documents for building permits eliminates cost, time, and bureaucracy. A majority of states, 2 federal jurisdictions, and all Canadian provinces regulate interior design. Of those, more than a dozen give interior designers authority to submit their own documents for building permits. Each year, more policymakers support this movement. While many design services may only be performed by architects, certified interior designers and licensed architects are qualified to provide many of the same design services. You might hear opponents argue that the practice of interior design constitutes the illegal practice of architecture, but most state architecture laws use overly broad and vague terminology. These definitions of architecture often include the planning, design, and alteration of the space within and surrounding a building. Taken literally, many of these laws could be interpreted to block contractors, roofers, tradespeople, decorators, and of course, interior designers from working without an architect's license. Interior designers do not want to engineer complex mechanical systems or design the shell of a skyscraper. They only want to do what they are educated, trained, and tested to do. They want to work collaboratively with other design professionals like architects and engineers. Certified interior designers are qualified to independently create non-load-bearing and non-seismic design solutions. Examples include placing and removing non-load-bearing walls, locating emergency signage, and plotting paths of egress, all of which involve a building permit. This is work that interior designers already do each and every day. They should not need to pay another professional to review and sign off on that work to obtain a permit. NCIDQ certified interior designers should have the same opportunities to succeed in the design marketplace as other design professionals. Reject protectionism, eliminate bureaucracy, and enhance consumer choice for design by supporting practice rights for interior designers.